Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question for you to practice from the topic of parts of a circle. Let's dive into it. Which of the following coordinates lie on the circle whose equation is x minus 1 squared plus y plus 3 squared is equal to 50? To solve this equation, you may pause the video if you like now, just give it a try to solve it on your own. And I assume you paused the video and you solved the question already, but let's solve it together again, or you check your answers for your solution. And the x and y values will be substituted in the given equation. 1 minus 1 squared plus negative 3 plus 3 squared. Does this equal to 50? Let's check. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 squared is 0. And negative 3 plus 3 is also 0. 0 plus 0. Does this give you 50? No, it doesn't. Then it's not the answer. We go ahead and eliminate the choice A. Now let's look for the choice B. We're going to substitute 6 for x. 6 minus 1 squared plus negative 3 plus 3 squared. Does this give you 50? Let's check. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 squared is 25. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0 again. 0 squared is 0. And when I add 25 by 0, do I get 50? No. So we go ahead and eliminate the choice B as well. So let's check the choice C then. This time we will substitute negative 4 for x and 2 for y. Negative 4 minus 1 squared plus 2 plus 3 squared. Does this give you 50? Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. Squared is 25. Plus 2 plus is 5, 25. When you add 2 25, do you get 50? Yes, you do. Then the answer is choice C for the specific question. But I want to show you the choice D as well for you to practice. I hope you got the question right though. By the way, 0 for x and 0 for y. 0 minus 1 squared plus 0 plus 3 squared. Does this give you 50? Let's check. Negative 1 squared is 1 plus 3 squared is 9. Does this give you 50? No, it's not. Therefore, the answer is not the choice D. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or any comments to make, please leave it below there. See you next time. Bye-bye.